The middle of winter isn't quite the usual time for us to head to the southwest for a couple of days. But we've been cooped up for so long, it was a great opportunity to just get out and do a bit of travelling after being stuck inside for a rather long time. To begin with, the weather was unseasonably sunny, and the drive south was really enjoyable. We were booked in at the Yallingup Forest Resort for a couple of nights, but we had some time to kill before check-in, so we stopped in at Busselton, Dunsborough and Yallingup along the way. Most of the time when we visit the southwest, we tend to stay either at Augusta or somewhere close to Margaret River. This was the first time we'd stayed at the northern end of the Capes region. Yallingup Forest Resort is located almost halfway between Dunsborough and Yallingup, and the accommodation is set in a large area of attractive bushland. There are 15 chalets, each with 2 separate self-contained sections. If you have a larger group and want to book a whole chalet, there's a double locked door that can be opened to allow access from one side of the accommodation to the other. Other facilities at the resort include a pool, tennis court, art gallery, and there's even a brewery located on the property. As it was winter, we didn't bother with either the pool or the tennis facilities ourselves. The chalets are attractive and spaced well apart. There are different combinations of beds available, but the one we stayed in had a queen bed and 2 singles. The kitchen is well equipped, with just about everything you will need during your stay, including some complimentary tea and coffee. There's a gas heater available for those chilly winter nights, and it warms up the place very nicely indeed. Each chalet has a wraparound veranda, and although the weather wasn't exactly perfect for making use of it while we were there, we could imagine just how relaxing it would be, in nice sunny weather, to sit outside and relax, enjoying the sounds of nature. The chalets have shared laundry facilities, so if you're lucky enough to stay there more than just a couple of nights, you can prepare some clean clothes rather than having to take too much along with you on the journey. The weather might not have been perfect for our stay, but we didn't let that stop us from checking out some of the local attractions close by. Some places we visited we hadn't seen before, and these included Petra Olive Oil, Simmo's Ice Creamery, a gallery, and a wood-fired bakery that makes some pretty amazing bread. Unfortunately, our stay was all too short, but we do have plans to head back down in the next few weeks and see what we can find as the spring wildflower season gets going for the year. We certainly enjoyed the short time we stayed at the resort, and we hope next time we get down there, the weather is going to be a little bit kinder to us.